What's up guys, welcome back to another video of Greasy Mods. We're doing this 392 Dodge Charger. We're doing the drop springs on it. I'll show you how to do it. Right now I'm setting this one, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the other side. Stay tuned guys. Alright, so first thing first, we got to do fierce on both this bolt. They can loosen up first, don't take it all the way. Second, sway bar link right here. 21, take it off, loosen it up, and then that last bolt right here, the 18, take it off so we can get the strut out, and we can replace them with some cross springs on it. At the end, bang this one with a hammer, take it off. There you go guys. And for sure too, don't forget this size 10 bracket right here, this size 10, unscrew it so you can let the wires, the ABS sensor, and the brake line, so we'll pinch it whenever it moves, so it won't like stretch out and damage the brake line or anything. But other than that, boys, at the end, I'll show you right now. Alright guys, so sway links. Make sure you put a clamp there. 18, take it off, it's already loose. Then just bang this right here, take it off, and then do the last ones, 15s right here. All three of them. So, and then drop it down. So he's a jack on the bottom so you can hold it. Drop it down. Don't forget the size 10. That holds the brake lines and the ABS guys right here. Size 10 right behind it. It's raining, but we're still working. Let's go. Get off. And for sure, for more precautions, whenever you do this, use one of these spring compressors. Put them right here, one on the other side. Compress them so whenever that bolt right here don't pop off like crazy and stuff. More precautions for you. And just gonna go with this AVAC drop springs for the front, so you get a better stance on it. But anyway, guys, so I'm gonna show you how to set this up right here. Set this right here, and then compress it on. And make sure that you always use PB Blaster, boys. Put it back in there. It'll help you out. Loosen it up, and then whenever you put it back, use some little grease. So put the bolt. I'll show you right now, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go. Alright, guys. So that's how you set up the springs, so it won't like damage y'all whenever you take this top bolt right here. Right there. Alright, boys. So we're gonna use this. I think it's a 18. Unbolt it. If it doesn't come out, put some PB Blasters in there and heat it up with a torch or something. And let's try it. Oh, playing. You're gonna grab some pressure pliers right here, guys, and hold it in there and make sure it don't move. So what we do, we put a vice grip right here. Whenever shocks are worn out and they don't want to change them or something, or whatever, the vice grip right there. Put pressure on it, heat it up. Or a PB Blaster if you don't have a torch or something, but that's what we're gonna do right now. That way that boy running. Oh damn! Alright guys, so we're gonna put it up. Make sure they don't put it too much there because there's a rubber ring right there for guys, right there, look, like nothing. I don't even have to like nothing, baby. Let's go. Greasy. Right there?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna put the spring on the way like that. sir. Now we're gonna put this back in. Make sure it's assembled right. There. Put the new bolt in there. Bump it up, and there you go, guys. That's how you install drop springs on a Dodge Charger 392. Let's go. Okay, so now make sure you put some grease right here so you won't cross thread. Whenever you put the whole bolt back in there or anything, or like, you know, always make sure you put some grease with some PB Blaster. So whenever it threads in, man, let's go. It'll hold tight, guys. Slide in like nothing. Yes, sir. We got it. Alright, guys. So we're gonna put this bolt back on. Assemble this right here. Put it back in the holes. 3 holes. Then I can put back the swivel link, and then you know, the bracket right here that I told you, the size 10, that goes right here. And tie everything up, guys. And then, you know, the last one right here, the bolt for the upper controller. But there we go. That's how you do it, guys. It's pretty simple, you know. I don't got the tools or anything, just, you know, use pliers, man. Those vice grips, they help a lot. PB Blaster, and y'all get this done, sir. Y'all stay tuned right now. I'll show you how the stance looks on this Dodge Charger. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There you go, guys. Let's go. This boy can't wait for the stands.
So, baby, that boy Greasy got that hoe out in less than an hour, man.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Alright, boys, there we go. See the stands? You like it or no? Yes, sir. I'm millón.
Yeah.
Sure, y'all see this? Look, it looks really good. Go, guys. Another happy customer with a Charger. Hope y'all like it. Like and subscribe. It gets messy here, man, but we do it right. Let's go.